Hello and welcome to our video on the best 7 ways to make money online in 2022. 1. Freelancing. With the rise of remote work, more and more companies are turning to freelancers to get work done. This presents a great opportunity for individuals with skills such as writing, graphic design, and web development to earn money online. 2. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Amazon and Etsy make it easy for anyone to set up an online store and start selling products. Whether you make your own products or source them from elsewhere, there's a huge opportunity to earn money online through e-commerce. 3. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and want to share your knowledge with the world, starting a blog could be a great way to make money online. By monetizing your blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, you can earn a steady income from your writing. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's products and earning a commission for each sale that you make. This can be done through a blog, social media, or even through YouTube videos. 5. Online tutoring. With the increasing use of video conferencing tools, it's now easier than ever to offer tutoring services online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring to students in need. 6. Virtual assisting. As more businesses move online, there is a growing demand for virtual assistants to handle tasks such as email management, social media management, and data entry. If you have strong organizational skills and are comfortable working remotely, consider becoming a virtual assistant. 7. Creating and selling online courses. If you have a specific skill or knowledge that you want to share with others, consider creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell online courses, and there is a huge demand for courses in a wide variety of subjects. Thank you for watching our video on the best 7 ways to make money online in 2022. We hope that you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to start your own online business.